Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Daily Crypto News. Always with you, I'm vibing. Got my guy with me, Mr. Scott Tripp, aka Crypto Beast, one of the admins over here at BigONE, as well as the Asia blockchain community. Just a little couple minutes like we like to take out of the day just to tell you guys what's going on in the news and what we find interesting and what's going on.
Yeah. And of course, like he said, part of BigONE myself here and marketing and all the fun stuff. Happy to be here. Happy as always to be in this chat with you guys, learning and growing with you. So let's get sharing.
All right, man. So first up today, what I got going on, I was actually looking at the latest article from the PBOC governor. So that's over in China. They were talking about, and that's the People Bank of China for the PBOC, for people who don't know. They were talking about the digital yuan today, and that digital yuan is going to actually be, they're saying that it's going to be more private, more privacy than, most of the other payment apps that are available right now, such as Apple Cash App and, some of the other forms of payment. So it's funny to see that, even though they're talking about centralized, they're talking about this is still going to be somewhat decentralized in a manner, but I don't know how far to believe that.
That's my one question is how much secretive information is on there. It would be hard for them not to be looking into it. Personal opinion, but that's yeah. And my favorite article today I'll share with you, well, not my favorite, but one that I found out that kind of disappoints me in a way, because you go to legitimate news websites and then you find out that some of your sources aren't telling the truth. So, or they got misinformed. They probably got a hold of the wrong person. So Zimbabwe government denies reports of adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Zimbabwe's Minister of Information Publicly and Broadcast Services has confirmed the country has no plans to adopt Bitcoin as alternative cryptocurrency, despite multiple media reports. So the Zimbabwe dollar will remain the only currency in the hyperinflation-stricken country, which makes me sad, honestly, because in the end, with a hyperinflated economy like that, when it comes to fiat, the way they can get out is exactly how El Salvador is doing it. And by implementing Bitcoin, can reduce some of that, the amount that the government owes to get rid of some of that inflation, is my personal opinion. But
yeah, I can't believe that they were renege on that after talking about it. Well, after all the reports of it, I guess that maybe they're not as far as long with the banking system as we may have thought, or maybe they have a conflict of interest with the banking system that's currently in place that's making them renege that. So sad to hear, but I think over time they'll eventually come back to it. The other thing that I was looking at today, so Happy Hippos NFTs collection dropped today. And these are randomly AI generated NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. They're doing their pre-sale, started on the 8th, and it was 48 hours, and the public sale went on the 11th. So that should have been today. And they actually got some love from Nicki Minaj, who's like a female rapper here. She actually did a tweet and said, "Meet Happy Hippos and go follow Happy Hippos NFT at Infinity8IO. Let's help protect this endangered species through the power of NFTs." So that's pretty cool to see that they either got some promo from her or that they reached out and got her to do promo for them. Because I think either way, it's a good marketing push for them, just to have more people in different section or sectors getting involved. So I think that's really interesting to see that they went after her for that.
Yeah, that's amazing. I really like that sometimes they're getting that celebrity endorsement on bigger projects like that, especially if they have a good cause behind it as well. My next article, which will get Shiba people excited, I'll just post it here. There we go. Robinhood's head of crypto operation praises Shiba Inu community. So Christina Brown, chief operating officer at Robinhood Crypto, shared some words of praise for the Shiba Inu community when asked whether the leading online trading app intended to list the meme coin during a recent crypto event. When SHIB, one of my favorite things is seeing the community around these coins. They really engage with us and really let us know what they want. Brown, however, said that she couldn't talk about specific listings. So it's kind of funny how she says specific listings it's like saying, yes, we're going to list them. I cannot discuss it though. You know what I mean?
She's
That
like
sounds
just
good.
giving, she's
Yeah,
giving away that little
a little
sprinkle of
crumb.
information. Yeah, to
Yeah.
keep the suspense high. I think I like that. Speaking of Robinhood, Robinhood just recently came out and said that they had 1.6 million people on the wait list for the wallet that they're going to be coming out with, the crypto wallet. I think this crypto wallet will be really big for Robinhood. There's been a lot of lagging, if I could say that, for Robinhood, just simply because like a lot of their customers came on during the Dogecoin era, and I don't feel like they actually replaced it with anything that was like more of a people's coin for people to actually come into Robinhood and start using it. They became a little bit more centralized and cleaned up most of the tokens that they had, and now it's like I feel like without those meme tokens, they're not bringing in these new investors like they were bringing in at one point with Doge. But still good to see that they have 1.6 million people on the wait list.
Yeah, that's impressive. Okay. My turn again or your turn? Do you got another article?
Yeah, I do. That was actually, I just wanted to tie that in just because I had seen that earlier today. So, and when you were talking about Robinhood, I just wanted to tie those together. The next article that I got, the European Blockchain Convention is all set up, and it's going to be December 13th to December the 16th. They're set up to have over 2,500 attendees, and they're also going to have, I think I read in here that they're going to have over like 27 speakers. So this is going to be, actually it's going to be 120 speakers. I'm sorry. They're going to have Algorand there, the CEO of Algorand, the author of the Bitcoin Standard. They're just going to have a lot of people. The top is going to be including DeFi, tokenization of securities, stable coins, the rise of NFTs, decentralized social media, and CBDCs, which is the new era for financial services. So this is going to be a very interesting conference over there in Europe. It's going to be, like I said, I have about 2,500 people, and that is going to be between December 13th and December the 16th, and it's actually going to take place in Barcelona.
Barcelona, that'd be a cool place to visit, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And experience a conference at the same time. Okay, my next article will be about this one, which I find it kind of interesting. It's kind of like the same kind of thing as the last one, where they drop a little hint of information and then they don't continue on with it, almost in a way.
Yeah.
CEO of the world's second most valuable company, Apple, reveals he personally holds crypto. Tim Cook, the CEO of the world's second largest publicly traded company, Apple, has today revealed his personal opinion regarding crypto investments. He, however, has tempered any hopes of his company investing in the asset class in the near future. And I believe it was Bitcoin that they said that he owned, but maybe he doesn't go into really big detail. Cook has been keen on cryptocurrency for a while now and believes it's interesting. Additionally, he's been researching them for a while. It doesn't. It said he dismissed ideas that Apple could adopt Bitcoin as its primary treasury reserve. So I mean, sounds like he's more open to all cryptocurrency versus just Bitcoin. So that's impressive. I like that. Like maybe they won't put it on as a treasury, but maybe they would work with gaming and putting it into the games that people are shooting towards in this cryptocurrency environment. It would be, I think, unintelligent in a way for Apple not to take part in the GameFi industry as well.
Yeah, no, I think that's pretty interesting. I think he's probably like mixing in, hinting at the crypto, but also wanting to protect his stock interests. So maybe not saying which cryptos he's actually supporting. He probably wouldn't want stockholders pulling out and going over to those crypto ventures. But it is nice to hear that he does have crypto, or maybe he doesn't want anybody trying to find his wallet. As you know, everything's on the blockchain, so it's always out there. So to get into my last article, the Reddit co-founder and the venture arm from Solana Labs, they team up and do $100 million investment initiative for decentralized social projects. So we've been hitting that Reddit's going to be looking at getting into the crypto ventures, and here we are getting more information that is yielding that to be true. So them having $100 million invested with with Solana Ventures. It looks like they're going to be going on the Solana blockchain, which has been picking up a lot of heat. I mean, like a lot of steam lately. So Solana's starting to push its way up there to start really being one of those top 5 blockchains. So exciting news on that side for Reddit as well as Solana.
Kind of seems like we keep dropping some bombs on here before they happen, doesn't it?
Yeah, man. You know what's funny is we have this news, right? And then I could go to like a Cointelegraph news or something like the next day, and they'll be talking about some of the stuff that we've already talked about. And I'm like, man, like either we're getting really good at research, or they're looking at our stuff and then making videos afterwards.
Oh, it's your turn to talk about the market.
Yes, sir. As you guys know, we always like to kind of end this segment talking about the total market cap and what's going on. I used to, as you guys know, we were looking up a lot of the information on CoinMarketCap. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of both between that and CoinGecko. Today on the total market cap, we are actually at 3.075. So we're pretty much in that same area that we were in yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is at 43.6 and Ethereum is at 19.4. So it looks like we're basically having a redo of yesterday, which is really good. It's good to see that, you know, as the new money flows in, it's not in a hurry to go out, right? Like, so if the money's coming in and it's not in a hurry to go out, that means that it's going to go into a lot more of these projects. So I'd be looking out for some things to pump this week. Altcoins seem to be taking the back seat right now as Bitcoin and Ethereum get comfortable in their high chair. I think once they consolidate a little bit and start going sideways, I'd be looking out for a big push on the altcoins. Sorry about that.
Altcoins, go.
All right. So yeah, we appreciate you guys tuning in like you always do. We're always here Monday through Friday. If you guys ever have any questions, you could always leave questions in the comments, and maybe we could read them and get back to you guys through the comment section.
Yeah,
also just keep your eye on the market. As you know, we say this all the time. With all of the bull run starting to take place, there will be a lot of projects that pop up and could leave you rugged. So make sure you guys are protecting yourself. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research, and always tune in with us. So until tomorrow, we'll see you guys then.
Right. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Enjoy yourselves. We'll talk soon.
Peace.